and we're back to learn CapCut in the year day 88. Let me show you how I can manually create a stroke flicker effect. Under text, we'll add a default text with the plus sign. Go to start position where you can see the text, and you can change it right here. Let me call it stroke, but that's only visible when you've got text element active. So if you can't see that, make sure to left click on it in the timeline and scroll until you can find the stroke. Let me make that red, make sure the box is checked. And you can see I'm at the start position, and here I want to set the thickness. Let's stick 50 points. And once again, you want to be here at the start position of the element and create a keyframe using the diamond icon. Then I use the arrow keys to the right only 3 times. You can see that here, this turquoise number, I go up 3 frames and I set it to 0. This creates a keyframe automatically at that position. Then again, I go forward 3 times with the arrow key to the right. I add 50 again, 3 times forward 0, 3 times forward 50, and so forth until you've got the entire element covered. Every time you adjust the thickness, a new keyframe is generated automatically, and I use 3 frames. I think it's a good interval, but you can obviously make this flicker faster if you only use 2 or 1 frame, and you can make it slower by using, for example, 5. Depending on how long this text element is, it's a little bit tedious to invest some time, but the process is always the same. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.